Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we're getting ready to put a new Ford F-150 out on the lot. I wanted to share it with you. Man, this thing is beautiful blue in color. Let's take a look. Okay, here she is. I told you it's a pretty one. 2013 Ford F-150 4x4. It does have the FX4 Off Road Package. You can see it's got the running boards on it. Now, the nice thing with this truck, the engine is a 3.5 liter V6, but it's an Ecoboost. Now, Jim, you're saying, Jim, what in the heck's an Ecoboost? Well, it's turbocharged. Has turbocharger on it. So it means you're going to get better gas mileage, being a smaller engine, but you're going to get more performance with the turbocharger as compared to a larger engine. So do a quick walk around. Now on the back of this, it does have a backup camera right below the Ford image right here. It does have a bed liner in it. Let's go ahead and flop that tailgate down. Okay, here you go. Here's the tailgate. Now I want to show you something. This right here, push this lever down, this folds up, and this part right here pulls and it folds down for a step where you can actually step up into the bed. How cool is that? Okay, we'll continue to do our walk around. And one thing about the mirrors on this, they do fold in, power folding mirrors. You've got the keyless entry. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Okay, you can see the back, black leather interior, all kinds of leg room. And right here you've got air vents, and you've got a couple places to plug in your electronic devices. Now, one thing with these seats, they do fold up. Let me show them to you. So voila, there you go. This side's folded. Now the other side will fold up just like this one, and you can see the latch right here. Pretty slick how that does that, isn't it? All right, here's the front of the cab. You do have power seats on both driver and passenger side. We'll go over here and show you the door panel. All your controls are right here. A couple items I did want to show to you while I'm right here. You do have a control right here. You can actually push this one way or another, and your brake pedal and your gas pedal will actually extend up closer to you. So if you have longer legs or shorter legs, that button right there is going to become your best friend. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. Before I go too much farther, I kept a really nice secret until right now. There it is. It's got a sunroof. Isn't that thing sweet? I think I might climb in this thing and go for a little ride today. This thing's that nice. Anyway, here we are. Let me pull in here, show you the gauges on this. The mileage as of right now is 82,959 miles. And you do have steering wheel controls on this side for your cruise control, and Bluetooth controls volume for your stereo system. You've got trailer brake assistance right here. Well, let's go over here and show you the goodies on this. So there is your LCD monitor. Come down, you have your climate control. Also controls your media up here. But man, this is a beautiful gear shift, beautiful trim that is going around here. A couple cup holders, all kinds of storage space here, a couple more cup holders. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, and you've got connectivity right here, USB ports, and then some auxiliary inputs. But man, that thing's huge enough. Thanksgiving coming up, you put turkey down there. Thing's so big. All right, here's your back seat. Like I said, look at all that leg room. There is an insane amount of leg room that is in this truck. Another thing I wanted to show you guys right here, you got heated and cooled front seats. Now, how cool is that? So come wintertime, push that button, your butt's going to stay warm. In the summertime, it's going to stay cool. So anyway, that's one additional item I wanted to show you. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive selector right there in front of you. You can't beat that. So that's it, guys. That's our 2013 Ford F-150 4x4 FX4 package, off-road package, 3.5 liter Ecoboost turbocharged engine. It's nice. If you got any questions, feel free to touch base with us. Phone number up here is area code 740-992-4443. Feel free to give us a phone call. We've got all kinds of other vehicles, probably total over 70, you know, including the ones that are going to be coming up on the lot. Let's just walk over here real quick. Ain't going to take a lot of time. It's a beautiful morning out here. But here, hey, go get you a limousine. Start your limousine service up. Make a little money on the side. But here's all the SUVs that we have. We've got a really nice selection of vehicles up here. Cars starting here, and it goes up around the side over here. All of our trucks on that side of the lot. But man, we've just got a lot going on. Now here's our building. I mean, we're housed in a location that's had new car dealers for decades. So we got a full service department. So if you ever need service after the sale, hey, we're not a little rinky-dink car lot. I mean, we got it going on here. So if you need any service work, just give us a shout. We'll be able to help you out on that. But that's the deal of the day, guys. Come up and get this. You don't have to have perfect credit. Sign your name, drive it home. But have a great day. Bye for now.